Carpal tunnel syndrome affects the wrists and the hands. It causes pain and numbness, which makes work difficult. You probably know someone who has undergone surgery to correct carpal tunnel, but only to see that the pain has returned shortly after. What you probably don't know is that up to 75% of people who have had surgery for carpal tunnel syndrome will have the pain return within only 2 years. And this is because surgery focuses on releasing the pressure on the median nerve, but what about all those years of repetitive motion and stress on your elbow, your shoulder, and your neck? The long-term stress on all of these structures needs to be addressed as well to find true lasting relief from carpal tunnel syndrome. Many people with carpal tunnel syndrome spend hours and hours performing a repetitive motion with their arms and their hands. This also places a tremendous amount of stress on the muscles and the tissues of your neck. So new research has shown an extremely high correlation between wrist pain and restricted range of motion in the neck. And interestingly, more significant pain in the wrist led to a more substantial restriction in the neck. So by establishing an improved range of motion in your neck, you can make a huge impact on pain in your wrist and your hand. So whilst medicine may be focused on treating the median nerve, chiropractic will rather address the entire spectrum of issues that can lead to your carpal tunnel syndrome. So by establishing a better range of motion in your wrist, your elbow, your shoulder, and your neck, you will be able to freely move through your day with less pain. And this is because reducing inflammation in your soft tissues and strengthening your postural muscles will also help you find true long-term relief. I hope that helps.